Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Your Hairstyle Guide. Today I have brought for you very beautiful hair buns hairstyles. Hair buns are very famous hairstyle. In the US they are also called side buns and space bun. This hairstyle was very famous in 1990 and today they have become mainstream. You can carry this hairstyle in everyday routine as well as bride can also make this hairstyle. But keep in mind that hair bun and ponytail can cause stress to your hair and also cause hair fall. So don't include this hairstyle in your everyday routine. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and like and comment the video. If you let me know in the comments how do you like my video. Thank you so much.